Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create EA account, which is electronic art account. So let's get started. First of all, open up any browser in your PC and type ea.com or EA. So here is the first website. You just have to click on it. It will redirect you to Electronic Arts official website. Now you have to do is you just have to tap on this profile icon. Now you have to tap on create account. So after clicking on create account, it will redirect you to sign up session. Now you have to put all your details here. Let's suppose I have put all my details and tap on next. After putting your country and your birthday information, now you have to enter email address, electronic art ID and password. In your email address section, you have to just put an email address in which you want to create EA account, and EA ID is basically your username of EA account. So you should use password according to their limitations. They have told about 8 to 64 characters, and password at least one lowercase character, at least one uppercase letter, at least one number. So after satisfying all the requirements, now you have to tap on next. After tapping on next, it will ask you for verification. Now you have to tap on verify. Now let me solve this. After verification, now you have to here set profile visibility. You can visible to everyone, friends, friends of friends, or private. So I'm tapping on everyone. Now you have to check the mark of the end one and tap on create account. And it will verify you by sending OTP to your Gmail address. So guys, I have got an OTP from EA in my Gmail account and I have put it and tap on next. Now you have to click on finish, and that's all guys. Your EA account has been created guys. So you can check out this by tapping on this and tap on account settings, and here it is. Now you can see your electronic account has been created, and in this way you can create electronic account. I hope you guys find it well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.